I think one of the biggest things that in this community that I found, a lot of people just need something to believe in, and this program gives them something to believe in, and it just so happens they're surrounded by other people that believe in the same thing.
If you create great jobs in a place like Albemarle County or Charlottesville, people will come.
We drew a circle around Albemarle County and said we're going to stay in the county. Both my business partner and I live here, and it's a place we call home, a place we want to stay, a place we want to plant roots.
This is home base, this is it. This is, the family's here, schools are here, that's it. Roots are planted.
Economic development is something that should happen countywide, but it's different how you do it in the rural area versus the growth area. If it's vibrant across the board, it'll give us what we need from a diversified tax base to be able to keep the 95% rural and to keep the 5% as a growth area.
Project Enable is a community plan. It's not an economic development plan. We solicit input from the citizens, from key stakeholders, from our partners, and built a plan that we thought was both achievable and accomplished the goals that the community wanted.
In terms of the support of the county, it takes there's a couple different pieces. So there's a whole infrastructure piece. Then there's a monetary piece around supporting, and that's all tied to employment. And I think that's really important to understand is these are great jobs. These are much higher than average, and when economists look at these kind of jobs, they're export jobs, which means that 95% of the money we make is from companies outside of the region.
This community has many assets and resources that other communities do not, like a large amount of intellectual capital. That type of asset allows for people to come up with new ideas, turn those ideas into profitable businesses, and be successful right here in our community.
It takes a lot of moving pieces with not just our private business owners and developers, our residents, our Economic Development Office, the EDA. We all work together in a collaborative way in order to achieve better results for our local economy.
If everybody is pulling in the same direction, getting there is almost assured.
It's just a vital place to be a small business.
One of the things that we do in economic development is help our existing businesses here locally. We go meet with these particular businesses, interview them, and find out what sort of problems they are having here locally. And then we customize some solutions for those folks.
Knowing that we have a team to talk to that's going to be sympathetic and figure out a way to help us, may not always be able to get it done, but we know that they're going to do the best that they can, and that means a lot.
Now it's going to be going after very specific items like bringing private investment into our locality, saying that we're not looking to necessarily go out and recruit businesses to come here, but we're going to focus on the folks that are already here to help them be more successful, grow within our own community, and then we'll all be able to benefit from that.
It will help keep our taxes down. It helps business to succeed and be more prosperous. It creates career ladder jobs that will provide opportunities for our young people far into the future. And it helps to pay for schools and infrastructure and all the things that go with that.
We're just getting started, and it's fun to see the energy that not just the board has in supporting that economic plan, but seeing the excitement that our EDA has, that our team here has, and I think that the winds are changing and the folks in the community have sensed it, and I think there's some excitement there as well.
Our overall goal is to make this county better.